Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the backward stitch that I use in most of my Neuron patterns. So you're gonna find these patterns on my Etsy shop. Either it's a regular Neuron or Pyramidal cells or Purkinje cells. I use the same method to crochet the backward stitch. To start, you're gonna slip stitch after crocheting the body of the neuron and the axle and everything. You're gonna slip stitch your yarn at the side of the body. Then, according to the instructions in the pattern, you're gonna chain the number of stitches required for this type of neuron. As you can see how I'm doing it, just chain the number that I want for the first set of dendritic branch. Then in the stitch back of the last stitch in the chain, I'm gonna go backward and slip stitch in every stitch backward. According to the instruction provided in the pattern. So you're gonna go backward 4 or 5 stitches according to the pattern you have. You're just gonna go backward through the chain that you made to make this backward stitches. I'm gonna show you here some examples how I'm doing it. And after you finish, you're gonna chain again to make this branch. And then again you're gonna go backward and slip stitch. So I just wanted to give you a view of what I mean by backward stitch, because I'm getting a lot of questions, and just to make it clear so that you find the pattern easy to read. For example, in this dendritic branch, I made 2 divisions first, then another 2 divisions, but it's totally up to you. You can be creative and make the number of branches that you want for your neuron. I'm just putting a guideline, and then you can make whatever number you want, as long as you know now the concept of the backward stitch. You chain backward until you reach the length that you want. Chain again backward, and you go on.